Invisible now. In the last class, we have talked till here. If you take a strong electrolyte with it, which will dissociate like let we have a CS concentration of this. It gets fully dissociate. So we'll get concentration of H plus from HCl will be this. And from here it will be this. Any doubt till here? Concentration of H plus, or I should say common ion. Concentration of common ion coming from weak electrolyte. Concentration of common ion coming from weak electrolyte. Concentration of common ion coming from weak electrolyte is greater than, sorry, is lesser than from strong electrolyte. Please mute your mic. Please mute your mic. So I can say CS is very greater than C alpha, or CS plus C alpha is almost equal to CS. Any doubt till here? Any doubt till here? Read it fast. Any doubt till here? Am I audible to all? Any doubt till here? Crystalline, in case of strong electrolyte, it dissociates completely. So HCl will give you H plus plus Cl minus. There will be nothing like alpha. Whatever the concentration of strong electrolyte you had, same will be the concentration of its ions as well. Whatever the concentration of strong electrolyte you had, same will be the concentration of ions as well. Okay. If I want to write Ka for CH3COOH, right? So Ka will be equals to C alpha dot Cs divided by C into 1 minus alpha, where we know 1 is very greater than alpha. So K equal to C alpha dot Cs divided by C, where C and C will get cancelled out. So Ka is equals to C alpha dot, sorry, Cs into alpha. So the equation we know C alpha, it's less as compared to, yes, we will ignore that because total H positive concentration that we have is Cs plus C alpha, but C alpha is very, very less. So we just ignore it. Any doubt till here? So we have got another formula for Ka which is different from our previous formula. पहले हमने क्या पढ़ा था? First we have read about Ca equal to C alpha square. No common ion effect. Here we have common ion effect. Just wait a second. Here alpha is Ka divided by Cs. Here alpha is root K by C. First you have to go through the question. You have to understand what is given in the question, whether the question is on common ion effect or not. If the question is not on common ion effect, follow this formula. If the question is on common ion effect, follow this formula. Understood? Understood? Which formula we have to follow? Understood which formula we have to follow? Because these are different formulas, you will get different answers. In the last class only I told you how to get whether you have a common ion effect or not. For example, calculate the value degree of dissociation of CH3COOH 0.1 m whose Ka is 1.8 into 10 to the raised power minus 5 in presence of 0.1 m HCl solution. In absence या फिर ऐसा कुछ नहीं दिया है, then also it means absence only. If nothing like this is given, that also means the absence. How do we solve it? I have given you all the combinations of common ion effect that you can have. Done. In presence of HCl, there is common ion effect. In presence of HCl, there is common ion effect. In absence, in absence, in absence, understood. It was there, Pratyusha, you didn't keep it. Understood. In which case do we have more alpha? In presence or in absence? In which case do we have more alpha? Sir, K का second part is 22 minus 5, autonomous 4. Yeah, it's minus 5. Minus 5. So it is minus 4. Minus 4 हो गया तो it will be 1.35. Sorry. So that was the definition of common ion effect. That was the definition of common ion effect. That presence of common ion decreases the dissociation, right? Presence of common ion decreases dissociation. Hence, we have proved it also. Any problem to anyone in this? Okay, Rebecca, I have changed it. So, presence of common ion, presence of common ion decreases, presence of common ion decreases, presence of common ion decreases, presence of common ion decreases the dissociation of weak electrolyte. Understood? मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज कि आपको फॉर्मूला क्या रखना है. Calculate the value of dissociation constant of CH3COOH in presence of 0.02 m H2SO4 solution. Also predict the pH of the solution. ये दिया हुआ ionization percentage of CH3COOH will be 10 to the power minus 3%. Done. Ka will be equals to Cs into alpha. Cs is 0.02 into 2. Alpha is 10 to the raised power minus 3%. 0.04 into 10 to the raised power minus 5. मतलब 4.0 into 10 to the raised power minus 7. Minus 4. Understood? Any doubt in any of this part? Concentration of H plus coming from H2SO4 will be very, very greater than concentration of H plus coming from CH3COOH. So pH will be decided by this. pH will be decided by this. pH is what? Minus log of H plus. Understood? Any problem to anyone in this? Any doubt to anyone in this? All of you understood this? So first thing is you understand कि question common and effect का है. अगर question common and effect का है, then you have to put the formula of common and effect. अगर question common and effect का नहीं है, then you do not have to put the formula of common and effect. You have to put the simple formulas. सारा खेल फॉर्मूले का है. अगर आपने गलत फॉर्मूला फिट कर दिया, you will get different answer, obviously incorrect answer. What do you mean by buffer solution? What do we mean by buffer solution? What do we mean by buffer solution? Am I audible to all? Hello? Okay. The solution which resists the change in pH when small amount of acid or base is added to it. When small amount of acid or base is added to it. तो small amount में ही देखना है, अदरवाइज आपके पेट के अंदर भी एसिड होता है, सॉरी बफर सॉल्यूशन होता है। इट डजंट मीन कि आप एसिड की बोतल पी जाओगे, because there should be only a small amount of acid. If you have very small amount of acid, that can be neutralized, then only buffer solution will work. बहुत ज्यादा एसिड के साथ it won't work, इसलिए स्मॉल इंपॉर्टेंट है। ओके वेदांत, आई हैव नॉट एक्सप्लेन इट एनीथिंग टिल नाउ। मैंने तो बस वो डेफिनेशन पढ़ दिया है। यू वांट मी टू रीड इट अगेन? I have not explained anything till now in buffer solution. अभी तो मैं बस लिख रहा हूँ। Solution which resists the change in pH when small amount of acid or base is added to it. The solution in which buffer solution is present, if you add small amount of acid or base to it, there won't be any significant change in pH. Simple buffer and mixed buffer. In mixed buffer, there can be acidic buffer and basic buffer. Acidic buffer solution does not mean its pH will be acidic. Basic buffer solution does not mean its pH will be basic. Please write down this thing. Acidic buffer solution does not mean its pH will be acidic. Basic buffer solution does not mean its pH will be basic. Acidic buffer solution does not mean its pH will be acidic. Basic buffer solution does not mean its pH will be basic. As all of you are from bio only, हमारे पेट के अंदर कौन सा एसिड कौन सा बफर होता है? Which buffer is present inside the stomach? Or you can say buffer in blood. Buffer in blood. This is the buffer in blood. So we'll come to know, अभी थोड़ी देर में पता चल जाएगा, that this buffer is acidic buffer. But its pH is 7.3. Understood? Any doubt in this? Chalo. What is simple buffer? It is a salt of यार strong acid और strong base कैसे buffer बना सकते हैं? We want to neutralize those strong acid and strong bases. Salt of weak acid and weak base. So Tusha, we are reading that only. So let me complete that thing first, then we'll talk about the questions. एक बार पढ़ लेते हैं पूरा बफर कैसे काम कर रहा है. ठीक है, either you will get it or you can ask. In simple buffer, it is a salt of weak acid and weak base. Weak acid, weak base का salt can act as simple buffer. 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 For example, आपने एक बहुत strong acid लिया. Adric, do it fast. So if you have taken a very strong acid and you have added it into a solution, in which buffer solution is already kept. By adding acid, pH should decrease or increase. pH should decrease or increase. Decrease. So this H plus was going into the solution to decrease the pH, but क्या हुआ? The salt which was present in it, it reacted with it. What do you think? Which ion will interact with it? कौन interact करेगा? Anion or cation? Which will interact, anion or cation? Anion interact करेगा. So your very strong acid has converted to a weak acid. Your very strong acid कैटायन से कैटायन इंटरेक्ट क्यों करेगा कोमल? If H plus is coming, then anion will interact with it. So your very strong acid has converted to weak acid. So there is a very slight change in pH. Very slight change in pH. Have you understood the working of buffer? Buffer की working समझ में आ गई? I was asking H plus will interact with what? Have you understood the working of buffer? कैसे बफर काम करता है? You understood it? No, it depends what you are adding. मैं एक और लिख रहा हूँ प्रत्युषा. Just wait a minute. Now, for example, you have added a very strong base. Very strong base. Okay, Komal, focus on this now. Both of them are same. Ramchandra, Komal, please focus on this. Okay. See, we have added a very strong base. What should be the change in pH? pH should increase or decrease? Ram, Komal, if you are adding a very strong base, pH should increase or decrease? pH should increase or decrease? pH should increase क्योंकि base से pH increase होती है. So with that intention, you have added a very strong base into that solution, but it already had what? A buffer solution. So OH minus will interact with what? Komal. OH minus किससे interact करेगा? Cation. So when it interact with cation, it will convert your very strong base to weak base. So when your very strong base has converted to weak base, there will be slight change in pH. Understood? Understood? Ram, you understood? Yes. ठीक है, केवल न्यूट्रलाइजेशन नहीं बोलेंगे, we will also say conversion of strong to weak. Yes, Ramchandra. And strong base converts pH more or decreases or change in pH more. But weak base gives very slight change in pH. So that slight change in pH is because of the presence of anion. No, because of the formation of new base. How anion can give you pH? वेदांत है ना, अगर मैं आपसे बोलता हूं सॉरी कि टेल मी द पीएच ऑफ दिस, तो यू कैन नॉट से सर ये तो वीक बेस है, इसका तो कोई पीएच ही नहीं होगा. Okay, Vedant. If I ask you the pH of this, what you will do? You will put the formula. POH equals to half of pKb minus log C. You'll put all the values, you'll get the answer. So weak base also have pH, strong base also have pH, weak acid also have pH, strong acid also have pH. Just now you have formed a new weak base. So definitely there will be some change in pH, but that will be slight change in pH. Yes, Deepika, that's what I wanted to say. Base, it should become strong base, but buffer opposite it, so it becomes weak. Means after adding base, it should remain as a strong base. That will be better. But buffer opposite it to become weak base. Very good, Asmita. So what's when the concentration of strong acid and strong base is moved? Concentration of buffer. How do we calculate it? Then it won't get neutralized only. Whatever part get neutralized, that will convert it to weak acid. Whatever left will give you the pH. Okay, we will do the numericals also. For example, you have Chirag. मान लेते अपने पास इतना, we have this much of buffer and you have added this much of acid. Can you neutralize? Can you neutralize the whole acid or base? इतना ही न्यूट्रलाइज होगा ना, बाकी बच जाएगा, सब काम खराब कर देगा. ओके चिराग, all of you understood? Because now we'll move towards the numerical part and also the working of acidic and basic buffer. ओके then इसको हटा देते हैं. Acidic buffer. What do we mean by acidic buffer? This is your acidic buffer. Weak acid and a salt of weak acid and strong base. Weak acid and a salt of weak acid and strong base. Pratyusha, we are coming to that. एक बार सुन लो. I'll explain both of them, acidic buffer and basic buffer, and you will get it by your own. ठीक है, वी आर नॉट प्रिडिक्टिंग एनीथिंग. मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ एसिडिक बफर कैसे काम करता है, बेसिक बफर कैसे काम करता है. सिंपल, आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. Understood? When do we say we have acidic buffer? When you have a combination of weak acid and a salt of weak acid and strong base. This is also acidic buffer. This is also acidic buffer. Any doubt in this? This is also acidic buffer. Yes or no? This is also acidic buffer. Yes or no? No, they are not acidic buffers. वीक कंपोनेंट हमारा एसिड होना चाहिए. क्या हुआ कोमल? जल्दी बताओ. In acidic buffer, there should be a combination of weak acid and a salt of weak acid and strong base. This is weak acid. This is a salt of weak acid and strong base. If you take weak acid and react it with strong base, what salt you will get? CH3CONA. This is what I'm talking about. What is basic buffer? What you can assume to be basic buffer. आपको क्या लगता है क्या होगा basic buffer? Can you assume basic buffer क्या होगा? संदेश, कोमल, इतना लिखा ऑपोजिट ऑफ एसिडिक बफर आप बता देते. प्रत्युषा, ऑपोजिट तो होगा ही यार. वीक बेस प्लस सॉल्ट ऑफ वीक बेस एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड होना चाहिए ना यार. कोमल, तुषा, विच सॉल्ट? वीक बेस and salt of weak base and strong acid. Very good, Kristly, Jail, Sandesh, Deepika. Tusha, I didn't tell which salt we are talking about. Komal, if it is weak base, in salt also it should be weak base. कोमल, अगर ये वीक बेस है तो सॉल्ट के अंदर भी वीक बेस होना चाहिए. क्या लगता है आप कैसे बना सकते हो बफर? If anyone can tell, how can we make acidic buffer? We'll just react with Na. Na तो एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता है यार. How can you just react with Na? Komal, how can we prepare acidic buffer? That's what I'm asking. Okay, पहले सुन लो. We will take weak acid. We will take strong base. We will react them, and this we will keep in excess. Do you think in that way we will get acidic buffer? Very good, Krishley. Do you think in this way we will get acidic buffer? Deepika, Pratyusha. Yes, this is preparation. क्वेश्चन में फर्स्ट आपको पता होना चाहिए वेदर यू हैव बफर और नॉट, क्योंकि देयर आर वेरी सिमिलर क्वेश्चंस ऑफ पीएच. किसी में बफर होगा, किसी में बफर नहीं होगा, किसी में हाइड्रोलिसिस होगी. इट शुड बी वेरी मच क्लियर वेदर यू हैव बफर और नॉट. Okay, I'll take an example. Let we have 15 mole of this. We have 10 mole of this. Komal, how much reaction will take place? How much reaction will take place? 10 mole. So you will get a salt, that too 10 mole. Yes or no? Pratyusha, you should not say that. You should say at last we are left with weak acid and a salt of weak acid and strong base, hence it is acidic buffer. See, in acidic buffer we want weak acid and a salt of weak acid and strong base at last. So we have taken weak acid, we have taken strong base. 1 mole react with 1 mole. So 10 mole will react with 10 mole. When 1 mole react with 1 mole gives 1 mole, 10 mole will react with 10 mole will give 10 mole. You will be left with 5 mole of weak acid and 10 mole of salt. So at last you have weak acid, you have salt of weak acid and strong base, hence you have a buffer. Hence you have acidic buffer. If your weak acid is in excess, Suhas. प्रत्युषा मैं बता दूंगा आपको अभी. write it like strong base only. Suhas, weak acid should be in excess. Komal, understood? Abhilasha, Deepika, all of you understood? मैं फिर से बोल रहा हूं, it should be very much clear whether you have buffer or not. अगर बफर होगा तो फॉर्मूला अलग रहेगा, बफर नहीं होगा तो फॉर्मूला विल बी डिफरेंट. Pratyusha, because at last you want weak acid. You do not want only the salt, you want salt with weak acid. आपको एट लास्ट केवल सॉल्ट नहीं चाहिए, आपको सॉल्ट भी चाहिए और वीक एसिड भी चाहिए. दैट इज व्हाई वीक एसिड शुड बी इन एक्सेस. Acidic buffer is not just a salt. Acidic buffer is a combination of acid and salt. So you should be left with some acid as well as with the salt. At last आपको एसिड भी चाहिए और सॉल्ट भी चाहिए, इसीलिए एसिड ज्यादा होना चाहिए. Understood? Yes, always. Which one is buffer? Yes, सुहास, वो भी मैं आपको बताऊंगा. We'll go step by step. Which one is buffer? Komal, Pratyusha. अस्मिता, I'll go to that. पहले ये वाला क्लियर हो जाए. Which one will be a buffer? Pratyusha, you understood it? देख के नहीं बताना यार. Because if you do not know that question is from buffer, you won't get the answer also. इसके लिए अलग फॉर्मूला है. Formula 1, Formula 2, Formula 3. There are 3 different formulas for the same question. If you do not know you have a buffer, then you will apply different formula और आपका आंसर गलत आएगा. It should be very much clear whether you have buffer or not. ये 3 different questions हैं. Yes.
So for acidic buffer, we consider it as a weak acid and a strong base, right?
No, we consider weak acid plus salt
plus,
of weak acid and strong base.
Weak acid plus salt of strong weak acid plus strong base.
Yes, weak acid plus salt of weak acid and strong base.
So that means in this one, like this question which you gave,
yes,
we should have, if we want an acidic buffer, we should have weak acid more in amount, like a more amount, like.
Yes.
So that means in the first question that will be a basic buffer, right? Because here this CH3COH is, oh no, this is a weak acid. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So like, why should weak acid be more than compared to strong base? Because strong base has like a more effect to it, so you neutralize it or something?
No, because base will always try to neutralize acid.
Yeah.
And you want to be left with acid. So your acid should be more. Otherwise, you won't be left with acid only.
Oh, okay.
आप चाहते हो ना बाद में आपके पास बच जाए. तो बचेगा कब? जब आपके पास ज्यादा होगा.
हाँ.
कम होगा तो बचेगा कैसे? पूरा खत्म हो जाएगा.
But then acidic buffer should, like acidic, you just said no, acidic buffer does not mean its pH will be acidic and all.
Yes.
So yes. Then like when the acid remains, the pH will be less only, no?
So we'll do the questions on that. I'll tell you how does it change and on what factor will it depend. अभी आप pH के ऊपर मत जाओ. अभी बस इतना देखो whether you are able to find out कि do you have a buffer solution. क्या आपके पास buffer solution है? अगर आपके buffer solution है तो कौन सा buffer solution है? अभी उतना ही करो.
हाँ. Okay.
Understood?
Yeah.
So first one is a buffer solution Which buffer solution, acidic or basic? Acidic or basic? Acidic buffer. Can I also ask you how much of weak acid and how much of salt do you have? Can you also tell how much weak acid you have, how much salt you have in your buffer solution? आपके बफर सॉल्यूशन में कितना एसिड है और कितना सॉल्ट है? Can you tell in your buffer solution how much acid you have, how much salt you have? Very good. Very good. Pratyusha, what is that 8? 8 plus 2. All of you getting this? ये नहीं पता होगा तो फिर सॉल्व नहीं होगा. So you have 8 moles of salt and you have 2 moles of weak acid. Any doubt till here? Any doubt till here? So once you are sure, एक बार आपको पक्का हो जाए that you have buffer solution, then you are also sure that you have a acidic buffer solution. Once you are sure you have a acidic buffer solution, then pH of that acidic buffer will be pH is equals to pKa plus log of acid upon salt. Sorry, salt upon acid. Salt upon acid. Understood, Asmita? Now if we talk about basic buffer, so you will be having a weak base plus strong acid. This should be in excess. This should be in excess. Understood? Which one will be the buffer? इसको बोलते हैं, मतलब both of them are called Henderson Hasselbalch equation. Henderson Hasselbalch equation. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? What was your question? I have given you the formula for POH only, na? Sandesh, what should be done if POH is asked? This is the formula you have to keep. Asmita. Asmita, can you repeat that? You were just asking for more examples, right? Yeah. Asmita, you were asking for examples only, na? We have to keep only this. NH4OH wala only we have to keep as example. ठीक है, otherwise we have to go into organic chemistry. अच्छा, okay. If it is given, let's say it will be given. No, the whole question will be given. I'll make one question, I'll give you, and you can solve it. एक्सेस नहीं दिया होगा, प्रॉपर आपको सब कुछ वैल्यूज दी होंगी, देन यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट. I'll make one question, don't worry. Understood till here? Understood all of you till here? Now, can you think how does acidic buffer works? Because if you know this working, then only you can solve numericals. Can we think how this acidic buffer works? कैसे काम करता होगा acidic buffer? This is my acidic buffer. I'm adding a very strong acidic solution to it. You can easily guess it now because we have done the simple. Yes. Very strong acid and very strong base I am adding to it. Let's take it afterwards. इसे बाद में देखेंगे, पहले से देखें. Yes. This added H plus will react with what? Salt or with acid? The added acid will react with salt or with acid. एसिड जो डाला है वो किससे रिएक्ट करेगा, एसिड से या सॉल्ट से? All of you are getting what we are doing. सब लोग यहाँ पर साथ में हो, पीछे तो नहीं छूट गया कोई? Any doubt from the previous part? If you are adding acid, then salt part will react. Salt part will react. Can I say this will be the reaction? Can I say this will be the reaction? यही रिएक्शन होगी. I can also say moles of weak acid will increase. Moles of weak acid will increase. Moles of salt will decrease. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in these 2 points? Komal, Pratyusha, Christley, Abhilasha, Asmita, Sandesh, Deepika. Everything is continued. अगर आप पीछे छूट गए हो then you won't be able to get it. इसलिए बताते चलो. In the acidic buffer only, in the acidic buffer only, in the acidic buffer only, अगर आपने बेस डाल दिया, what will react, acid or base? In the acidic buffer only, you have added base. What will react, acid or base? Form water. Definitely it will form water. What I'm asking is, base अगर आप डाल रहे हो, अगर आप बहुत strong acid डाल रहे हो, if you are adding very strong base, then what will react from the buffer, acid or salt? Suhas. Acid will react. When acid reacts, weak acid reacts with base, it will form salt. It will definitely form salt. That means salt increases, acid decreases. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? I'm telling you only one working so that आप confused ना हो. अब दूसरी working खुद करके देखो, you will get it. Why can't it react with Na plus of the salt? See, that reaction does not matter only. If Na plus the base you are reacting, that was also NaOH only. Na plus के साथ जब OH minus react करता है, then there is an ionic bond. Ionic bond means they will remain as ion only. ये मैंने दिखाया है यहाँ पर OH minus, but actually ये NaOH ही होगा ना. Why NaOH react with Na only? ये तो हम जानते हैं कि एसिड बेस से रिएक्ट करता है बचपन से। एनी डाउट टिल हियर? कैन वी ट्राई वन क्वेश्चन नाउ? एक क्वेश्चन ट्राई करते हैं। अस्मिता, आई एम नॉट गिविंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ लैंग्वेज फॉर नाउ, मैं आपको ऐसे सजा के दे देता हूँ सो दैट यू कैन सॉल्व इट। एनी डाउट टिल हियर? CH3COH plus NaOH 100 ml 0.5 m 50 ml 0.5 m. Calculate the pH of solution. Okay, Asmita, question will be like when 100 ml 0.5 m CH3COOH is reacted with 50 ml 0.5 m NaOH, then what will be the pH of the resulting solution? इस तरह से इंग्लिश बना के they will give you a question. So first thing will be ये check करना whether it is a buffer solution or not. Yes, Chirag. pKa is 4.75. Is it a buffer solution? If I exchange their volume, will it be the buffer solution? If I exchange their volume, will it be the buffer solution? If I exchange their volume, will it be the buffer solution? It is a very important thing. अगर आपके पास buffer solution नहीं है, you cannot put the formula of buffer solution. Very good, Pratyusha. Asmita, you done? All of you got this answer? All of you understood the concept? ये जो 25 है ये मोल है कि मिली मोल है? The 25 that you have written is mole or millimole? Millimole. All of you understood till here? All of you understood till here? मैं इसको बढ़ा देता हूं. If in this buffer solution five millimoles of strong acid HCl is added, then final pH will be, ये हम B क्वेश्चन रख लेते हैं. If in this buffer solution 5 millimoles of strong acid is added, for pH and for pOH we have same one. Ramchandra, for pOH we have pKb. In this buffer solution, if 5 millimoles of strong acid is added, then final pH of the solution will be. Done. Nine point five. 9.5. 9.5 कैसे जा सकता है यार? You are adding or subtracting from 4.75. कितना ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया ऐसा? फोर्टीन आया ही कैसे? So we say we have buffer CH3COOH plus CH3CONA as 25. Pratyusha, please listen to this. Strong acid added. How much? 5 millimole. So this decreases 5, increases 5. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? Pratyusha, you understood? Yes, by the same amount. तो अब आपका pH क्या होगा? Deepika, in the working I have explained this. When strong acid is added, it reacts with salt and it generates weak acid. इसलिए salt decreases and acid increases. This I gave in the working. If you want, I can show you again. CH3CONA, which was 25, will react with your strong acid, which is 5 ml. How much? 5 mole. How much reaction will occur, Deepika? How much reaction will occur, Deepika? कितनी रिएक्शन होगी? 5 mole. It should be 5 millimole. It will give you CH3COOH. तो ये 5 मिलीमोल बन जाएगा. 5 मिलीमोल और ये 5 मिलीमोल घट जाएगा. So 5 millimole increases, 5 millimole decreases. So your new buffer is this. You got new buffer. ये आपका नया बफर आ गया. तो ये हो जाएगा log 3 minus log 2. log 3 minus log 2. Salt upon acid it is. Salt decreased. Acid increased. Salt upon acid. Salt upon acid. Log 2 minus log 3. So change is there, but slight change is there. Understood? All of you understood how buffer works? Buffer का खुद का pH कितना होता है? On adding acid or base, how does it changes or how much it changes? Any doubt till here? Okay, tell me one last question. Will it form buffer? Will it form buffer? सबने नो बोल दिया तो क्या फायदा हुआ पढ़ाने का यार। लकीर के फकीर नहीं बनना है। यू शुड रिएक्ट इट। वंस यू रिएक्टेड इट देन यू शुड से। ऐसे मत सोचो स्ट्रॉन्ग दे दिया अब खत्म हो गया खेल। एटलीस्ट ट्राई टू रिएक्ट इट। यू डिडंट रिएक्ट इट ओनली, आपने देख के ही मना कर दिया उसको। पूरी क्लास बर्बाद हो गई ना। चिराग, डिड यू रिएक्टेड बोथ ऑफ देम? आपने रिएक्शन करवाई उनकी। लेट इट बी, बट डू वी हैव सॉल्ट और नॉट? If they are equal, let it be equal, but do we have salt and weak acid or not? Sandesh, Suhas, Vedant, Jail, Deepika, Abhilasha, strong देख के सीधा मना कर दिया। Why it will not work? I gave you question like that only. Here also we had same, and you have solved full one question. आपने ये पूरा question solve किया था, and you told me the pH also. There also it was same. Suhas, previous question में also salt and acid were same, but you didn't decide on the basis of that same. आपने same के बेस पे डिसाइड ही नहीं किया, आपने strong देख के उसको सीधा काट दिया। Because I didn't put any such condition कि equal होगा तो नहीं काम करेगा। Equal होगा तो pH of the buffer solution will be equal to pK of acid. That's it. In the previous solution question also we had salt and acid as same only. So when you react CH3CONA with HCl, it will form CH3COH. Initially you had 5. This was 10, this was 5, this was 0. 5 reaction will take place. This will become 5, this will become 5. And this is what we want. Socho. Understood? At least give it a try. अगर आपको last question पूछा जा रहा है, then you should give importance to it, ना? Okay, that's it for today. Please go through it again 2 or 3 times. नहीं तो एक ही दिन में साफ हो जाएगा।